Right then, welcome back to the channel. Let's go and test ride this Mash Scrambler 50.
If you're after a retro styled 50cc bike with a bit of scrambler attitude, then the Mash 50 Scrambler might just be for you. Today we're taking it for a ride, checking out its specs and seeing if it's worth your hard-earned cash. So, let's get into it. Mash motorcycles have a reputation for making small displacement bikes with big character. And the 50 Scrambler is no exception. Inspired by classic scramblers of the past, it features that retro rugged styling, knobbly tyres and a minimalist frame. Right, let's talk numbers. The Mash 50 Scrambler is powered by a 49cc air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine and puts out around 3 horsepower, which isn't a lot, but remember, this is a learner-friendly bike designed for city riding and light trails. It's got a 4-speed manual gearbox, so if you're new to motorbikes, this is a great way to get used to shifting gears without the intimidating power of a bigger bike. Suspension wise, you've got conventional telescopic forks at the front and twin shocks at the rear. It's basic, but it gets the job done for urban streets and light off-road fun. Braking is handled by a front disc and a rear drum, which is standard for this class of 50cc motorcycle. It weighs around 100 kilos. Which makes it really easy to handle, even for new riders. And with a fuel tank capacity of over 10 litres, you're looking at excellent fuel economy and range, over 100 miles to the gallon, easily. On the road, the Mash 50 Scrambler is exactly what you'd expect from a 50cc bike. Relaxed, easy going, and perfect for city commuting. Handling is light and nimble, and the small frame makes filtering through traffic a breeze. The knobbly tyres do give it a bit of an off-road vibe. And while it's not built for hardcore trails, it'll manage gravel paths and light dirt tracks without issue. Off-road, the suspension is a little stiff, but considering it's a budget-friendly 50cc, that's to be expected. It's more about the styling than hardcore scrambler capability, but it's definitely a fun little machine to throw around. So, is the Mash 50 Scrambler worth it? If you're after a cool, stylish 50cc for city riding and a bit of light off-road fun, it's a great option. It's learner friendly, affordable to run, and it's got that classic scrambler look. So, that's it for today's review. So what do you think of the Mash 50 Scrambler? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more bike reviews and adventures from all revved up motorcycles. See you in the next one, and ride safe.